There's Ava. There's Micah. What are you jumping over?
The bird.
What do we call it?
The
Robuska. It's big, big rock. Come on, Ava. Micah, come on. Where's she going? All right, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go on the Raptor? Should we go to the creek? Yep, go to the creek. All right.
On the creek?
Yep.
I'm on the tree.
Yeah. All right. Up, up.
Yeah, you're up.
What's that? Yeah.
You doing?